Hi there, students. A frame. Okay? To frame as a verb. I guess the framing of something as well. Okay, so to frame or a frame, this is a word with a lot of various different meanings. I think firstly, it's the piece around a picture or a mirror. And it's normally made of metal or wood or plastic, and it's decorative. So she had her a photograph of her mother in a silver photo frame on the shelf. Yeah, a pair of picture frames. So it's the mount, it's the bit that goes round something. I guess also you could have frames for your glasses. It's the outside bit. So believe it or not, these frames are actually Ray-Ban frames. Okay, so the frames for glasses. You could have the frame of an object like a bicycle or a chair or a door. So a door frame's the piece around the outside of the door which gives the object its strength or its shape. Yeah, the frame of the bicycle is the bits but without the wheels, the basic chassis of it, the basic part that is used to give the object its strength, its shape. So a timber framed building. Timber is wood, so the building has a frame made of wood and then everything else is fitted in. So it's like a framework, the casing, the structure. Yeah. You could refer to somebody's body as their frame, their physique, their build. So he has a big strong frame. She had a very slight dainty frame. Yeah, the body, the form of the body. Let's see this video. I wonder how many frames per second, how many photographs per second the video is taking. Maybe it's 25 FPS, frames per second. Yeah. Okay, and then let's see, as a verb, to frame, well, to put something in a surround, but then we can use this more metaphorically, the way that you express something. So the way that you frame your request may change the outcome. It may decide or it may change if somebody accepts what you say or not. So the language you use is the way that you frame or express something. Yeah, the way that you try to deal with it, the words that you use. How am I going to frame this request? Am I going to say you must do this, or am I going to play on this person's honor or different things? Notice as well, you can frame somebody. If somebody is innocent and you make them look guilty, this is where you are trying to frame them. Yeah, to make other people think that somebody's guilty of something by lying or by inventing evidence for something. Wow, that's a lot of different meanings. Let's try again. So the frame of a house, the bit that gives it support, the chassis, the main piece, the frame of the body, your skeleton is your frame. A window frame, the bit round the outside that borders it or holds it. The frame of a photograph. Yeah, the bit around the outside. So the frame of this video is probably not very good. I've definitely got better ones. A structure, a frame of government. So democracy is one frame of government. Somebody could be in a good frame of mind, a general state or condition. What's her frame of mind? Is she happy or is she depressed about this situation? Okay, the frames for your glasses. Yeah. To frame an answer, to frame a question, to give a context for something. Yeah. Particularly to exclude unwanted things or unwanted points of view. Do you vote for peace? Yes or no? This is a way to frame a question so that people think, well, I like peace. Peace, yes, yes. It depends what it's about. To formulate, to put into words, to frame a reply. Yeah, to frame an answer. Okay, I think I'm going to stop with those though. Let's see. So frame. I think okay, the frame for the glasses, the frame for the building, these are all 5 in formality. Use anywhere. A picture frame. 5 in formality. Use anywhere. I think the only one that I would use that is very informal is to frame somebody, to make them look guilty. So everybody in prison says that they have been framed, that they're innocent, and somebody has made them look guilty. Let's see. As to origin, there's a Middle English word fremen, meaning to construct, to build, to perform. And that comes from Proto-Germanic framjana, to perform or to promote. As this word frame has so many meanings, it's probably not easy to see how these are joined together. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Frame.